And what I have made is a homemade electrolyzer, which makes hydrogen. I am going to make some explosions. This is the battery, and these two wires will take the electricity from the battery and put it into these two wires you see in the bottom. Then the electricity will go in here, and when I put this here, it will begin to bubble. Bubbles are hydrogen and oxygen. And then I'm going to put my hand over here while this is attached and I'm going to get a match. Hopefully, when I take my hand away and put the match over, there will be an explosion. We are going to see now if we can have some ignition of hydrogen. But too bad, our can. Okay, I'm ready for the explosion, hopefully. And if it works, I think it's going to be very big. I have this much hydrogen, half a bottle full. Make a bottle full. Woo! Woohoo! That was awesome! That's an explosion. Want some more?